Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to make a PDF non-editable in Adobe Reader 2025. Whether you're sharing important documents for work, school, or personal use, making a PDF non-editable ensures no one can accidentally or intentionally make changes. This is super useful in 2025 with all the advanced features Adobe has rolled out, helping you protect your files like a pro. First things first, open up Adobe Reader on your device. If you don't have it, head to the Adobe website and download the latest version for free. It's quick and straightforward. Once you have your PDF loaded, you'll notice that Adobe Reader is primarily for viewing, not editing. But don't worry, we can still make your PDF secure. Step 1. Go to the File menu and select Properties. Here, check if your PDF is already protected. If not, you'll need to use Adobe Acrobat for full editing controls. It's an upgrade from Reader and worth it for this task. In Acrobat, navigate to the Tools panel, then click on Protect or Encrypt. Choose Add Security and set a password to restrict editing. For 2025's updated interface, look for the new Quick Secure option, which simplifies this process. Next, select Password Security and set permissions to disallow editing. Enter a strong password twice for confirmation, then hit OK. Save your file as a new PDF to keep the original intact. This way, your document is now locked down. A quick tip: if you're using Adobe Reader only, you can print to PDF from another program to create a flattened version. Just open your editable PDF in a word processor, print it as a PDF, and voila, no edits possible. Finally, always test your protected PDF by trying to edit it yourself. If it works, great job. This method keeps your documents safe and professional. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.